Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of The Real Story Behind, where we reveal the truth behind the most viral and hilarious moments in pop culture. Today, we're going to talk about the public prank that Seth Rogen and Zac Efron pulled off for their movie Neighbors. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. If you haven't seen Neighbors, it's a comedy film that came out in 2014, starring Seth Rogen and Rose Byrne as a married couple who have to deal with a fraternity house next door, led by Zac Efron. The movie is full of outrageous pranks and gags, such as airbag explosions, dildo fights, and Robert De Niro impersonations. But did you know that some of these pranks were actually done in real life? That's right, Seth Rogen and Zac Efron decided to promote their movie by doing some public stunts that would make their characters proud. One of these stunts was captured on video and went viral on the internet. It shows Seth Rogen running into Zac Efron outside a store, where Zac is posing shirtless with a sign that says "Free Hugs." Seth decides to join him and also takes off his shirt, revealing his hairy chest and belly. The two then hug each other and some random strangers while making funny comments and faces. The video is hilarious and shows the great chemistry between the two actors. But what's the real story behind it? Well, according to an interview with Seth Rogen on The Tonight Show, the stunt was actually planned by the movie's director, Nicholas Stoller. He wanted to create some buzz for the movie and thought that having Zac Efron shirtless in public would be a good idea. He also wanted to surprise Seth Rogen and see how he would react. So, he told Zac Efron to go to a store near the movie set and pretend to be a model for a fake clothing brand called Brothers. He also told him to take off his shirt and hold a sign that says "Free Hugs." He then told Seth Rogen to go to the same store and buy some snacks. He didn't tell him anything about Zac Efron or the prank. When Seth Rogen arrived at the store, he saw Zac Efron outside and was shocked. He said he felt like he was in a nightmare. He didn't know what to do, so he decided to play along and join him. He said he felt very insecure next to Zac Efron's perfect body. He also said that some people actually recognized them from the movie and thought they were filming a scene. The whole thing was filmed by hidden cameras and later edited into a funny video that was released online. The video got millions of views and comments and helped generate more interest for the movie. It also showed how good sports Seth Rogen and Zac Efron are and how willing they are to make fun of themselves. Thanks for watching.